Leanna's right cautious, and Percy is like the real daredevil. Just started riding already. Spinning dirt. Spinning around, flicking dirt up in the air. Flying. No brakes on it, nothing. I gotta get the brakes fixed. I got a pedal coming there. A hand lever coming this week. Look at Leanna going through the woods. I don't know if you can see it there or not. You got to his trail. Here comes Percy again. Just a cruising. Having lots of fun though. Percy loves it. Leanna's still trying to figure out how to get in second gear. I told him you could use second gears. Leanna trying to spin up. What? Had to. He couldn't move. Oh, Leanna's chain came off.